in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Hello, hi, sweetheart! Good afternoon to everyone and good afternoon to the entire local government unit of Osama City. My name is Trudy Angeles Cicentino.
And I am Darrell Shane Ocon.
And it is such an honor for Osama City National High School to be holding the Anti-Drug Educational Campaign and Awareness Seminar in virtue of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking today, June 26, 2026.
That is right, partner. It is because we need to emphasize or highlight the critical need for community-led prevention, education, and collective responsibility to protect our youth from evolving drug-related threats.
It is correct, no, partner, because it is also important for us to learn about these things and try to mitigate the issue in our own ways. Okay, so now let us acknowledge the participants and let us know the rationale of this activity. And to do so, we have Nurse 2 of the Substance Use Program and Mental Health Program Coordinator, Ma'am Mary Jane R. Moralion. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. We would like to thank our local government unit headed by our City Mayor, Honorable Sam Norman G. Fuentes, sa dako paghatag ani nga suporta uban sa ato ang City Council nga naakaron ang ato ang mga konsihal, Honorable Marcelian C. Tapayan, our City Councilor, Committee on Peace and Order, Honorable Cecil Co, Committee on Education, our Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicia Bebeneri. And also would like to acknowledge our Deputy Chief ng PNP, Police Major Eurydice Rebellias, ubang sa iyang mga kauban, Police Major May Seriales, Police Master Major May Seriales na si Ma'am, Police Sergeant Arne Siton. So, our City Health Officer 2, Dr. Maria Florilyn D. Irog-Irog, our School Principal 3, Lelibet Abamunga, our tadak po kang person, Ma'am Ella Cartaginas, uban sa atong tadak staff, ni Ma'am Annalisa Moralion and Ma'am Kisha Araya, and also our teachers na naakaroon diri. Sa atong mga participantes, students, and also our media, once again, good afternoon. So, in observance of this International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, so nagpahigayon ta og awareness. Kabahin aning ato ang problema. So, globally, tibuok kalibutan about sa drug problem. So this year global theme, persistent issues, new challenges, innovative responses underscore the critical need for community-led prevention, education, and collective responsibility to protect our youth from evolving drug-related threats. Okay, so karon nagpahigayon kita ni Ani. So, kabahin na ni, no, dako kaayo ang maihatag na kahibalo for this awareness among learners, kamo nga mga estudyante. And even sa this institution, isa po nga dako kaayo role kabahin, no, sa shaping pinagi sa mahimong responsible and usa ka individual na diin mabinantayon. So this celebration promotes preventive education. So we are more on preventive. So dako kaayo og kahimuan nga matagaan gyud mo sa kahibalo, pagtulunan. Diin kabahin aning atong problema sa droga. And then for this, diin mahibalo mo, diin malikayan ang atoang paggamit sa ginabilit nga droga. And even this celebration, no, na makahatag po, no, kaninyo og positibo nga values. Aside na mahimo kamong matinun-anon sa tanan ninyong pagabuhaton, na ay pagdisiplina sa inyong kaugalingon, being responsible sa inyong matagusa, dili lang kay diri sa eskwelahan, sa ato ang pamilya and as well as our community. Okay, so karon kani nga ato ang ginabuhat, no, as our speaker na muhatag sa ilahang mga information. I hope na makahatag mo og kabahin namin ato ang gihisgutan karon. And I hope na you continue to be more responsible enough and as a role model in this school. Salamat kayo og maayong hapon sa tanan.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Murayon. Now, to officially welcome everyone to our school, it is my honor to invite our school principal 3, Ma'am Lilibeth Y. Abamanga. A round of applause, please.
Thank you so much to our cute MC this afternoon. A pleasant afternoon to everyone, especially to our mayor, Sam Fuentes, our visitors here from the PNP and the rest of the team. Of course, it is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this anti-drug educational campaign and awareness seminar. With us, we have Attorney Tabayan, sir. We have also our City Income, City Councilor Cecil Cruz. We have with us, of course, our Major, Police Major Rubilias, Madam. Our City Health Officer, we have Dr. Flor Ironero, and of course, our nurse, Ma'am Murayon. To our media men who are here this afternoon, our contact personnel, our teachers and learners, again, mayong hapon kanatong tanan. To our select learners, you are so lucky this afternoon. Out of 4,288 learners enrolled as of today in Osama City National High School, kamo mo ipipili ko na din ka po. Look at yourself. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule this afternoon. Your willingness to learn, to listen, and stay informed is the first and most important step toward building a healthy, successful, and a drug-free life. To our partners sa PNP, our protectors and guides, Thank you for your unwavering commitment, ma'am, your expertise and service in our city, and of course, including Osama City National High School. You know, this morning, we conducted the orientation or meeting sa Tanang Presidente, more than 100 classrooms or advisor here. So, ang tanang mga classroom president this morning, they said, thank you so much at PNP. They're one of our speaker, no, for safety of our learners. So, salamat tayo. Your presence here today reassures us that we are not facing these talents alone. You bring us the facts, the law, and of course, the guidance we need here in our school to make safe and right choices for our children and parents. This orientation or information dissemination is not just about sharing rules or what we call warnings. It is about empowering each one of us with knowledge that will help us understand the dangers of illegal drugs, how to avoid them, and how to help those who are struggling. Together, the school, the learners, the PNP, our city council, our mayor, kitang tanan-tanan here form a strong alliance to keep our school, our homes, of course, our communities to be safe, peaceful, and progressive. Salamat sa ating city council and mayor for leading. Let us make this decision a meaningful one, dear learners. Listen actively, first, ask questions later, after the discussions, and share what you learn with your families and friends. Once again, maayong hapon sa tanan, and welcome to all of you. So let us work hand in hand towards a drug-free and brighter future for everyone in Ozami City, and of course, Ozami National High School. Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much to our ever-dashing school principal, Ma'am Lilibeth Noy Abamanga. Under her wing, OCNHS has truly grown and prospered. In the same sense, a city can only do so much if not for the competence and support of its leader. Under his leadership, Ozami City has strived to become a force worth reckoning, proof of the quality of service he imbues. To deliver a message on behalf of our dear Mayor, Sal Gordon G. Fuentes, let us put our hands together for our chairman of the Committee on Peace and Order, Honorable Attorney Marcelin C. Caballo. A round of applause, please.
Daghang salamat atong gwapong MC. Ibansang gwapang partner. MC. Ngayong hapon na lang. Si Mayor is very excited to come over sa kanun to join me in this program. But very fortunate na po yung opportunity ko sa Pisa. Kasi requires him to attend. Kaya public order sa hindi na. So, we should attend. Because we yesterday, ako na yung nililiw sa MSS ko. Ako na ang MSS. Pinako ko yung first program to deliver as the chairman of the Business Order Committee sa City Council. But anyway, I would like to acknowledge our assistant leaders. Isang wala din sila, wala na yung nagsuporta. Atong iba ito, including this program sa tunong. Wala sila, wala na program ang matulong. Ako acknowledge na itong hardworking Governor Henry Quezon na nagpupakan. Ipasa niya atong isyong malintilis sa kondisyon. Ato patang leader sa Sino Narcito, Congressman San Fernando, Ando, Amel, atong pakan. Kemudian ko niya sa atong naipanan na Congressman sa party list na ang sinipray, si Congressman Atty. Henry Wangnan Jr. Penintanan ang suportar nato sa kaya sa amin sa programa sa Council Summit ay punuan sa itong mga ngayon si Honorable Mayor Atty. Sam Manchibili Adra Papakan. Hindi ko kanong alagpuan atong makauban ang nagarang kaupang konsyal na mo'y chairman sa committee here sa Pagkakasap kung saan si Hindi ko Papakan. Atong ang atong coordinator sa CIR Anti-Drugs si Ma'am General ang atong CIR Officer si Dr. Purinda Irok-Irok. Ito na sa mga kung nasa karoon ng atong kapisan kuluan ni Atty. Major Lourdes Pipilias. Salamat sa host na karoon na anya kasi ang Court si Ma'am Lipit ang bunga ma'am. Salamat kayo sa pagkatagang ngayon ng kumugino. Kung asa napagkagpreso sa katak City Anti-Drugs si Ma'am India P. Catainas ang manipagay ni Papakan. Ato ang media, ato mga dudong. O kanan ninyo, usap, may hapon ngayon. Iyan na sa meeting International Day against drug abuse and illegal trafficking. Bukan ini nagimo kita o signal o awareness campaign. Mga nagkunya na mga pictures kayo on atong city office dito rin upang sa campaign sila Ma'am Atty. Pilias upang sa kaupagpasan para sa anti-drug awareness program. Pero ito, buhito, kung sa mga ipikto, hinandang sa drug addiction. Kung sa mga imong ipiktiban sa pamilya o sa itong community. Samtang atong bisan mo, mimo sa loob, picture, diba sa anti-drug, sa anti-drug law, Public Act 9165. Ako sa kaingat, nag-knowledge ang atong PDEA officers. PDEA officer, si Ma'am Aya Vincent Cecil in Orcales. Ma'am, thank you po kami. Ang atong may bata sa lupa, illegal drugs, is very important. Nangan ila namin sa Diyos na sinusan, apel mo mga estudyante, senior high school students. Kaya lupa, yan ang sagot. Unang dagang pikto na makagunog sa atong kaliman. Nagunog, pamilya, sa atong silang, sa atong direksyon, at gobyerno, o sa atong asal sa Pilipinas. So nga, atong gobyerno, sunod o lokal, pinamanan, nagkakanot, masumpo ang lugar. Atong probinsya, we are 423 barangay. 490. Ang tamang atong gobernador, kaya ako ba masumpo ang lugar ng atong kabarangay ma-drug free barangays. Kaya, kung sa'yo, ang pulisya ngayon in shooting security, wala na yung mga repeatedly na nasusunod pakiran, mahusay na atong pulisya. Wala na yung mga insurance. Atong doktor palimutan, ang kapit sa itong program karang una is kukumbat illegal drugs. Sa Samis, sulod ko na kaya mga barangay sa unang matakan. Sa probinsya, una yung barangay, pana, puro, halisis kami na, kapit. Lumayan na namin. Kung magkakagay na naasa, sila sa kanan. Kung ang Bishop of Bilonson. Kaya, kaya na sa mga pagkakagay na guys, na sila sa kanan. Kung ba na Bishop, sila sa punsa, sa pina. Kita natin, naman, hindi mo ang gagawin sa limot, masa Bishop. Sa una, tawag sa City, na sa buong kapital o Mindanao, yung mga sikasa ka sa Pilipinas, Manila, Cebu, Davao, wala ka. Pero, yung Samis, hindi ka na sa buong kapital o Mindanao. Hindi mo ka sa buong kapital o Pilipinas. Hindi mo sa nakidala. Mistake na nakidala doon. So, wala kayo. Apat, kita namin kamu sa bagong gobyerno sa Sinso, sila sa mga first term alternative na mawala ang lugar sa namin. O, pagkastong at sila na may country. Kung negro, patay ng negro, sa una, si Camero, grabe ang atong o sa kanya. Ito na rin. Mga kanang magdadala ng tibay, inom, motor, ang 45, wala yung makanagot. Kasi ang kapisa nandun. Kaya may pulis sa Kenway, yung nasabi sa pulis o ni Moreno. Dua pulis mengandung tahu mga distribusi sa sana. Dia katakan na naik instansi pabrik utak sa tuban kenapay erip kenapay mga patay kung sa model. Di na itong kentan siguro sa kanila. May nagkaroon sinasabi mo, kailangan mo sa panahon na ayaw na tayo aton o sa kanila. Is tibis na balik. Kaya aksulat ang pwede sa natin, alikawa na ito naman. Ang masama kagawin. Ang pulisan, isurutan. And then, 90%. Dalawa sa pulisan. Ang kaya natin labakan, ang rasunto ang lugar. Lubang pinagay. Apa ang ato na yun lang, kemudian nakapasang sa sadya, nakikita kayo niya, lakpan. So, bypass